Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Jers, your tech support and your e-load and e-wallet consultant. If you are a small content creator here in YouTube like me, and you have some question about troubleshooting, e-loading and e-wallet, then you have come to the right channel. Sa previous video ko, gumawa ako ng video kung saan at kung paano ko ginagawa yung thumbnail ng YouTube video ko at kung paano ko siya nilalagay dun sa video na pinost ko. Kung hindi mo pa napapanood yung video na yon, I'll put the link on the description box at yung mga iba ko pang video. Sa mga small content creator katulad ko, kadalasan nakakagawa tayo ng silly mistake of posting materials that are not our own. Kaya nagkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag na copyright claim. Ang tanong ngayon, kailangan ba natin i-delete kaagad yung video na may copyright claim? O meron tayong pwedeng gawin before tayo mag-delete totally ng video na may copyright claim? Sa video ito, i-explain ko sa inyo kung ano mga way para ma-manage ang video na may copyright claim. Number 1, do nothing. Kung sa tingin mo tama yung claim, then let your video stay on your channel. Wala namang mangyayari masama kung meron pa din copyrighted material sa YouTube channel mo. And besides, pwede pa naman mabago ang isip mo at gawin mo yung pangalawang step. Number 2, dispute the claim. Kung sa tingin mo meron kang legal rights to use that copyrighted material o sa tingin mo misidentified ang video mo, then you can always dispute the claim. But just make sure you are not making these 3 reasons kung bakit ka magde-dispute na claim. You cannot dispute the claim if number 1 is that you own the copy of the copyrighted material. Number 2, you are not making money out of that video. And number 3, at ito yung pinaka-importante, you give credit to the owner. Giving credit to the owner or saying the word no copyright infringement intended doesn't necessarily mean that you will be out of the copyright claim. You can only dispute the claim if you will be using these 4 reasons. Number 1, the video is your original content. Number 2, you get the license to use the copyrighted material. Number 3, you have transformed the video that being protected by fair use. And number 4, it is a public domain. Number 3, tanggalin mo ang copyrighted audio or clip. Meron ka ding option na i-mute ang sound or music, or pwede ding palitan mo ang copyrighted music using free songs from YouTube Audio Library. Kapag ang ilang clips naman sa mismong video ang na-copyright, then you can have the option to cut it. Lahat yan magagawa mo sa loob ng YouTube Studio, specifically sa video section ng mismong video. But you still have to remember that not all copyrighted audio or clips or music or videos can be edited. Meron mga videos na may copyright claim that can't be monetized or can be monetized, depende kung saang bansa naka-register ang YouTube channel mo. Number 4, keep your video private. Kung ang channel mo ay hindi pa namamonetize at meron kang mga videos na may copyright claim, then magandang gawin mo siyang private. Ang watch hours sa mga videos na may copyright claim na hindi eligible for revenue sharing ay hindi mabibilang para maabot mo ang 4,000 hours requirement. Giving you these 4 ways how to manage your video with copyright claim simply means that deleting your video is not really an option. Remember, copyright claim is not a copyright strike. Meaning, pwede kang magkaroon ng maraming copyright claim and it will never affect your YouTube channel. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something about this video, and if you have questions, just write it on the comment section and I will answer that using one of my videos. Again, this is yours. Thank you for watching. I hope you'll be having a great day today. And if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, just tap the subscribe icon and tap the notification bell icon para maging updated ka sa mga susunod ko pang videos.